guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is doing this video to attempt something I've never done before, which is braiding my own hair. Now, I'm not talking about plaits because I've done those before, the box braids, the rope twist, I've done all of that. But I've never actually attempted to braid my hair like this. All right, all done blow drying it up. Now let's get to parting and braiding. Yeah. As y'all know, always and forever, Heavenly Bounds Beauty Supply. Remember, you can get all this that I'm using on my hair right now by clicking the link in my description. Bye, y'all. Be back. All right, so I'm trying to get this parting down, guys. So I made like a C shape. I'm going to straighten out the part by trying to get as sharp as the part as possible, y'all. All right, let's get this first braid in. So well, as y'all can see, the girl has some short hairs falling all over the place. Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, so your girl has officially finished her hair, honey. It's all done. I'm about to dip it. Y'all let me know what you think. I've never done braids on my hair ever before, okay? So, ever. Like, most I've done is like rope twists and plaits. That's about it. But actual braiding down my hair, unless it was just to go up under a wig, no. So, I think they came out pretty good. They didn't come out too bad. Now my baby wants her hair the same way. So, I'm about to put my Lotta Body. Don't forget everything that I just used in my hair, from the braiding hair to the braiding gel, which the braiding hair is the 50-inch Urban Beauty Queen Bee braiding hair. You can find it on the website. So I'm just going to set this. I know they're a little close together in the back. Honey, I've never been a braid back person. It'd be a miracle if I can get some braids to go straight back. I'm gonna be real with you. Without going in. Especially on my head. Because my head is wide right here, but it's little in the back. I'm not ashamed to admit it, nigga, I know. I know I got a big head, okay? And the fact that my hair is so short, and I've never had my hair this short before. Smooth that down. Where is... And I'm going to use my Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges to lay these like baby hairs down a little bit. And I think I'm usually not a baby hair person either, but this looks pretty cute. I shall admit. All right. Sorry, y'all. Ran out of memory. But yeah, so the baby hairs are laid, honey. Remember the products used. You can click the link in the description below to grab you your own Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges or your own Impro Shine and Gem. A lot of body coconuts use. I also use this, remember, in the beginning to blow dry out my hair. Even the blow dry is available on the website, as well as this Queen Bee braiding hair, which I'm going to be completely 100 with you guys. I love this hair. I've used quite a bit of different braiding hairs, but this one and the New Expressions one with the 3 in a pack, which I don't sell just yet, but your girl is working on it, don't worry, are my favorite ones, because this one has such a natural texture and it is already pre-stretched, so it's A1. And I didn't have to, as you can see, fill me in real good, feed in the pre-stretch. I didn't have to bother with them. It didn't tangle that much. The only reason it tangled really at all is because of my crazy self and not trying to get these little short hairs inside these braids, baby. Yes, honey, yes. So if you like it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe over there, turn on the post notifications so you know when I drop a new one. And don't forget to comment. If you see another tribal braiding style that you guys like, you want me to try out, let me know, because I'm definitely going to start braiding my own hair. I'm feeling this, okay? I'm feeling this. And don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at heavenly_browns_beauty_supply. I know it is long, but it's the name. Baby, it is what it is. on Instagram and Heavenly Browns Beauty on Facebook. Y'all have a good one. Bye. I'm finna dip these ends.